Crypto Twitter has nearly exploded with the talk that Apple will soon announce a Bitcoin purchase of around billions of dollars. Galaxy Trading is one of the many that is pushing this rumor right now. They say that the figure is more than $2 billion, whereas the CEO of Chainlink, Joshua Rumsberg, puts the rumored purchase amount at $2.5 billion. Rumsberg added that if the rumor is true, he will buy an iPhone to commemorate the occasion. But with Apple's patchy history concerning Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, is there any truth behind this rumor? Well, that's what we are going to discuss in this video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss an update. First, we'll look at the originality of this rumor and we will discuss if this rumor is even true. We have already seen some tweets claiming that Apple will buy Bitcoin worth $2 billion. But there are two problems with this. Firstly, being that we haven't had any official confirmation from Apple. And secondly, that such speculation has done the rounds on crypto Twitter multiple times in recent months, and a purchase has never been materialized. Although MicroStrategy has betted big on Bitcoin, it seems that many publicly listed companies has been reluctant to take the plunge themselves. Even Tesla appeared to get cold feet after announcing it was going to stop accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. However, it does continue to hold more than $1 billion of crypto on its balance sheet. Would Apple buy Bitcoin? Early February, when Tesla announced it had purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, Bitcoin spiked 20% in a day. This event set in a motion of bullish trend that topped out in mid-April, having hit a 65,000 price peak. Expectations are that a similar trend will happen if Apple reveals it has also bought Bitcoin. But if the truth to be told, for every tweet changing the rumor, there's also many rubbishing it. The CEO of On-Chain Capital, Ran Noor, responded by flat out declaring it won't happen, at least not anytime soon. Escalating the case against DevOps engineer Alexander Rose raised the point that Apple is too brand conscious and unlikely to do anything controversial. He added that the Bitcoin investing might be a step too far for the firm. Apple don't do anything controversial. They are very brand conscious. Bitcoin does not at this juncture fit with its brand ethos. I would love nothing more, but it's too rebellious a move for them and too many opportunities for people to use it against them. Despite that, Apple paints in a crypto light, but whether that extends to a $2.5 billion investment is another matter. There's little doubt that such an announcement would give Bitcoin a huge price boost, but the digital assets energy use and ongoing drama surrounding regulations probably means that the iPhone manufacturer will continue to sitting on its sidelines for now. Bitcoin proponents have argued that it would be an excellent use of massive cash pile that Apple is sitting on right now. But as Alexander Rost on Twitter, Apple don't do anything controversial, right? So despite all of this, Apple will continue to keep a laser-like focus on the crypto world, especially considering that the PayPal now allows users to buy, sell, and hold digital assets. That's because the company operates Apple Pay, which has rapidly become one of the most popular mobile-based methods in the world. With the dwindling use of cash accelerated by the coronavirus pandemic, Apple job ads signals interest in crypto. Late May saw Apple post a job for business development manager dealing with alternative payments. One of the key requirements for the job was quoted 5 plus years of experiments working with alternative payment providers such as digital wallets, BNPL, fast payments, cryptocurrency, and etc. But back in 2019, the vice president of Apple Pay, Jennifer Bailey, said Apple thinks cryptocurrency is exciting and they are watching it with interest. But other than that, recent job posting, Apple has failed to make any affirmative moves towards Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. RBC market analyst Mitch Steves estimate Apple could generate as much as $40 billion from cryptocurrency by implementing crypto exchange functionality in Apple Pay wallet. Apple install base is in 1.5 billion. And even if you assume that 200 million users would transact, this is 6.6x larger than Square. Therefore, the potential revenue opportunity would be in excess of $400 billion in a year, 15% incremental top line opportunity. This Steves said is a safer pay compared to producing the Apple car. The price of Bitcoin failed to react as they expected to the rumors. Bitcoin is down 3% of the day, and of course, the price may vary. Well, that's it for the news of the today. See you next time, and until then, peace.